take the hassle out of new handles with Adjusta-Pull cabinet hardware. Use the holes you have to get the handles you want. The Adjusta-Pull cabinet hardware allows you to easily transition from standard size pulls to a longer length or to fit unique size cabinet pulls without having to drill new holes. No need for special hardware sizes, cabinet repair supplies, or wasted time drilling more holes. Adjusta-Pulls feature 2 holes on each side, one to secure the post and one for mounting to the drawer. Insert the pins into the posts. Place the posts onto the face of the drawer and align to the existing holes. Loosely insert the screws into the posts. Insert the bar into the posts. Then just tighten the screws and you're done. The Adjusta-Pull hardware collection comes in a variety of styles and finishes, so now you can get new handles with no hassle.